Narinig mo na ba yung egg theory?
Hello there, this is Doubts.
Egg theory tells you that everyone is just you. You're the only character here. Because after you die, you'll be reincarnated to someone from past, present, or future. No time limit. Maging ano pa man ang kasarian, lahi, o katayuan sa buhay. Let's say, namatay ka, at na-reincarnate ka sa kaibigan mo na pinanganak noong 2002. At nung malaki ka na, nakilala mo yung sarili mo ngayon sa katauhan ng kaibigan mo. But the only difference is, wala na yung memories mo nung nasa katauhan ka pa ng sarili mo ngayon. And yes, pwede nyo ulitin yung mga memories nyo nung nasa naunang buhay mo pa ikaw. And that is what the egg theory is. So sa makatuwid, ikaw rin yung mga nakakilala mo, ikaw rin yung mga kapatid mo, ikaw rin yung magulang mo, ikaw rin si John Lennon at yung fan na pumatay sa kanya, ikaw rin si Hitler at yung mga naging biktima niya, ikaw rin si Jesus Christ at ikaw rin yung mga naging followers niya. This cycle will go on and on and on hanggang sa maranasan mo na lahat ng bagay, lahat ng possibilities, all moral lessons, and all kinds of sufferings. And what's the purpose? It is for you to mature and hatch like an egg. Yes, this whole universe is like an egg and it is just made for you. Just for you. At sa labas nito is mga matataas na uri ng nilalang na may matataas na klase ng consciousness na naghihintay sa'yo na mag-mature at maging God katulad nila. And that's egg theory. Pero alam nyo kung anong mas nagustuhan ko sa theory na to? Mas binigyang kulay niya kasi yung kasabihan na huwag mong gagawin sa iba yung ayaw mong gawin sa'yo. Because remember what Eckhart Tolle said, anything you do to and for another person, you do it to and for yourself.